Structure of a PBLA unit. The title of each of the PBLA units is followed by the CLB levels that the module is developed for and a general content overview. There are two main sections in each module, one for instructors and the other for learners. For instructors, this section includes files and/or folders that contain information about the module, as well as additional files that can be used by teachers, such as audio transcripts or other supplementary activities. Since the modules are developed by different organizations, these sections might be named slightly differently. Unit Teaching Guide or Unit Plan. The Unit Teaching Guide or Unit Plan provides information about the online content and ideas for teaching in different modalities. The General Information section provides an overview of the number of e-activities, targeted CLB levels, blended learning activities that can be used in either online or a face-to-face classroom, and the competency areas covered in each module. The Online Content section provides recommendations for how to use the activities and explains the scoring procedure for each. These are followed by descriptions of the activities of the module and suggestions for further practice. More information is also presented for specific activities that can be used as practice assessments, also known as skill-using activities, or final assessment tasks, including details on grading instructions, grade to pass, and task success criteria. The final section of the Unit Teaching Guide is Teaching Notes, where further ideas are explored for complementing online activities in a face-to-face class. These might include debriefing and reviewing previously completed activities, asking students to share their previous experiences regarding the content of the activities, focusing on the grammar and/or vocabulary of the activities, including learner presentations about the topic, and providing additional online and printed resources. Note that the Unit Teaching Guide is hidden from students. Unit Audio Transcripts. These files or folders include the transcripts for all audio files in the module, organized by activity name and slide number. Note that the audio transcripts are hidden from students. For learners, there are several types of activities for learners. These are designed to function either as skill-building activities that provide practice with vocabulary, grammar, or listening, speaking, reading, and writing skill exercises, practice assessments, or skill-using tasks, or final assessment tasks that assess the learner's achievement after completing the module. H5P activities. Most module activities are created with the H5P authoring tool and have this icon next to them. They consist of a number of slides that present content in the form of text, pictures, videos, and interactive exercises. Learners need to click on the final slide of these activities to save their grades. A grade of 70% is required to pass each of these H5P activities. Learners can view and attempt the activities as many times as they wish in order to achieve the passing grade. Forum activities. Another type of activity is the forum, shown by this icon. These activities can be used as skill-building tasks, self-reflections, and skill-using or assessment tasks. Forums are designed to elicit oral or written answers in response to given prompts. Learners type or record their answers and post them online. Other students can see these answers and respond to them based on the teacher's instructions. Assignment activities. These activities are shown with this icon and are mostly used at the end of each module. For assignment activities, students complete specific oral or written tasks and send them to the instructor for feedback and grading. Assignment activities can be used as skill building, practice assessment, or assessment tasks and are set to be automatically saved in the learner's ePortfolio as a PBLA artifact. Note that these activities need to be graded differently if the module is designed for multiple CLB levels. In such cases, the grading criteria for each level are described in the unit teaching guide or the unit plan. Quiz activities. These activities are usually available at the end of a module and can be identified with this icon. The quiz activity can have several different items, including multiple choice, true-false, fill in the blanks, drag and drop, and essay-type questions. And as with the assignment activities described before, they can be used as skill-using or assessment tasks to be saved in the learner's ePortfolio as an artifact. If the module is designed for multiple CLB levels, this would be revealed in the quiz grading criteria described in the unit teaching guide or the unit plan. Activity completion. This feature helps users track their progress in a course. It appears as a small box to the right of the activity name. Before the activities are attempted, these boxes are blank. When the activities are viewed or successfully completed, these boxes appear with a check mark, indicating activity completion. Avenue activities have different activity completion criteria. Some require learners to receive a certain score for a task. Others are set so the learners can tick the boxes manually after viewing the activity. Teachers can access and view all students' activity completion reports. A check mark indicates that the student has completed the activity, and an X shows that the attempt was not successful. Gradebook. The grades for each student in the course are saved in the gradebook. The gradebook is accessed through the menu on the navigation drawer, which is the gray column to the left of your course. If you do not see the navigation drawer, click on the 3 black dots on the top left corner of your page for the gray column to appear. Teachers can view all students' scores by clicking on Grades. A new page appears that shows the participants' scores in a table. Each row shows all the grades obtained by each student. Columns show the scores the learners got for each activity. The green scores with a check mark indicate that the learner completed the task successfully, and the red grays with an X show they did not pass. Note that some columns are blank, meaning that the activities have not been attempted by any learners yet. Students can also view their own grades by clicking on Grades on the navigation drawer. This opens the student's user report where they can view all of the grades they obtained for the course activities.